Hello YouTube. We're gonna do a quick tutorial on how to remove your fender. We've got the one we just took off right here and the brand new one on here. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. First thing you want to do is take off the front bumper. I'll link a video in the description on how to do that. Then what you're going to want to do is come into your fender liner, remove a couple clips here. You got 1, 2, 3 here and a couple of screws. Once you take those clips off, it should come out like this. You're going to move to your side skirt next, and you're going to have 4 black plastic clips that hold in the side skirt that go into these holes here, 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 and one in the back there. Once you pop those out, come to the back here and then give the side skirt a push forward like that, and it will pop off these plastic clips here, and you can set the side skirt on the side, and then you'll have all the bolts exposed to the fender. To get to the bolts that hold on the fender, you're going to want to take off this one here. Go ahead and zoom out so you can see where this is at. Take this one off here. You've got one here. And then underneath the windshield wipers, there's a 10 here. And this fender will just hook onto it. You don't need to take this off completely, just loosen it. And then you'll come inside here. You'll have a 10 right there inside the door. A 10 on the bottom where the side skirt was covering it. It's gonna be another 10. And then you will have another 10 right there. And then you'll have this plastic clip here that you can either just remove the wire off of or unplug the entire plastic clip here. And that is what holds on your front fender. So once you do that, you can gently lift the fender off and take it out. So catch you guys in the next one.